Welcome to Siem Reap, Cambodia, a place of breathtaking beauty, ancient history, and an extraordinary mission to save lives. Today we're going to meet a tiny hero named Etoo, whose work is nothing short of life-saving. Get ready for a story you'll never forget. Every morning in Siem Reap, our tiny hero starts their day with a bit of paparazzi time. Yes, that's right. Even bomb-detecting celebrities need their photo ops. Watch as our star emerges from their 5-star accommodation. Though let's be honest, it's more of a cozy studio apartment by rat standards. The handler gently lifts our furry friend, who's probably thinking, "Another day, another photo shoot. I hope they got my good side." Smartphones at the ready, visitors from around the world gather to meet their unusual host. It's not every day you meet a real-life superhero who happens to be, well, a rat. Some guests look nervous. Apparently, they were expecting something more along the lines of Mickey Mouse and less along the lines of, shall we say, a highly trained professional who just happens to have an impressive set of whiskers. But our hero takes it all in stride. After all, when you're responsible for saving lives, a few tourist snapshots are just part of the job description. And yes, they do work for peanuts. Well, actually, bananas, but we'll get to that later. But enough with the glamour shots. It's time for this superstar to get down to business. Because while selfies are nice, there's serious work to be done. In the peaceful fields of Siem Reap, Cambodia, an unlikely hero goes to work each morning. Not all heroes wear capes. Some have whiskers and a powerful nose. This is Etoo, a trained demining rat working with APOPO. At just a few hundred grams, this little creature is making a massive impact, helping to clear deadly landmines left behind from decades of war. Millions of landmines still lie hidden beneath Cambodia's soil, a dangerous legacy of the past. Traditional methods of detection are slow and risky. But Etoo is changing the game. With his incredible sense of smell, he can locate TNT in seconds. Etoo has been trained for months to recognize the scent of explosives. And here's the best part. He's too light to set off the mines. When Etoo sniffs out a hidden danger, he signals his handler, and the area is safely marked. In a single day, Etoo can cover an area that might take humans weeks to search. His work saves lives and restores hope to communities across Cambodia. Because of Etoo, families can return to their land. Children can run and play without fear, and farmers can rebuild their futures. This tiny hero is a beacon of hope for thousands of people. To Etoo, this isn't just soil, it's a puzzle. Somewhere beneath the surface, a faint trace of TNT waits to be discovered. His highly trained nose can detect it in parts per trillion, far beyond the capabilities of any human. This is life or death work. The stakes couldn't be higher, yet Etoo moves without hesitation, guided by his instincts and training. For him, it's not fear, it's purpose. Meter by meter, our hero advances. What might take a human deminer hours to check can be cleared in minutes by these remarkable creatures. Yet there's no compromise on accuracy. These rats have never missed a mine in testing.
Because the rat here, they cannot understand what we're talking to them. So for the handler, when you see the reaction of the rat, sometimes like scratching, he will click. And the rat here, when he heard the click sound, he will stop scratching, he go to get the report from the handler. We cannot understand what we're talking to them like a dog, so we use the trigger to communication with them. Just a little bit scratching.
There it is. Etoo's found something. His gentle scratching tells the team he's located a mine. A few grams of rat detecting what tons of machinery can't. And just like that, the area is one step closer to being safe. Etoo gets his reward, peanut butter, his favorite, and a well-deserved pat on the back. Well, metaphorically speaking.
So for the second trick, it can be board for him too, everyone. But this time it's definitely board. It's not a peanut, it's banana. It's his favorite too. Banana is his favorite food. He loves banana so much. It's not enough. Ask for more.
But Etoo's mission isn't over. Cambodia still needs help to clear thousands more mines. Every effort counts, and every hero, big or small, makes a difference.
At the early morning, we work for the public. Come inside. Inside.
Want to support Etoo and his life-saving work? Hit that like button, share this video, and consider supporting APOPO's mission. Together, we can create a safer world, one paw print at a time.